Hi, what's your name?
I'm Archana. I'm Dr. Archana.
Okay, and how old is your child?
He's 5.5.
Okay, so
Just close to 5.5.
okay, so what exactly were you looking out for him?
Basically, when I set out searching for schools also, I was seeing something which will give him an holistic approach.
Okay.
So I think for his IGCSE curriculum, he needs a global education, something which will, playway method or something more practical rather than how our board used to teach us.
Okay.
So when I tumbled down on Juniors Club, I was really very immensely happy, and my quest ended there only. It's like I just found what I wanted, like a boon for my child, because they have everything, all the exotic stuff which you do not find even in the malls, or maybe you will find it but you'll have to keep hunting and shell out such a lot of money for that. And I wanted to be easy on my pockets also, so it's like I just found what I wanted. The ELR products especially, they are too good. I mean, whatever, like just a small example, if you want to know about rocks, we'll have to go to the exact place, or we'll have to wait to visit a chemistry lab, or he will have to take science for that thing. But here in these things, you already have small specimens of rocks, small specimens of how tree, bark, about nature, about the solar system, about everything you want to know. And children are like, they are a sponge. You need, how much ever you give them, they will want more and more, they will absorb. So my child was yearning for more, and here he gets so many variety of toys, the Lego, the building blocks, the mechanics, the phonics. It helps him in phonics also. So I need not put him for any tuitions. I need not take him out. I don't find the time also for that. So this helps me in all way. It's a basic playway tech zone, you can call it.
Okay. So did you consider any other options as well?
Yeah, actually I went to another library also. But basically these people have a very extraordinary stuff. Like even these books, for example, they have this US born books, the flap books, the 3D books, the audio books, the hot dot pens, and everything, even if you need not read out to my child, he can just put the pen and listen to it, or open the flap, and he will be more curious each time, and he will keep asking questions.
Okay.
So that is, it stimulates his brain,
That's
so
right.
that is what we want, to improve the brain function.
That's right.
And if I tell him to sit and study, he will never sit for that. But then if you teach them all in this type of technique,
That's right.
it is really good.
So just in short, two good things about Juniors Club.
They are very hygienic. They clean the stuff and they maintain it very well. And I mean exotic stuff.
Okay.
That's it.
So do you think Juniors Club has any area of improvement?
Yeah. I mean, they really keep shuffling the toys and the books. They keep adding it also. If they tie up with somebody else, at par, they might even, exchange and interchange, trade basically.
Okay.
That way.
So how likely are you to recommend Juniors Club to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5?
5 out of 5.
Thank you so much.